Amanda Knox. An Italian appeals court is in session this morning to decide if she'll face another trial over the 2007 murder of her roommate. ABC's John Muller joins us now with the very latest on all this. Good morning, John.
Good morning, Robin. Today's the day. It's either the end of a 6-year legal nightmare for Amanda Knox, or it is back to step one, a retrial. All eyes on the Italian Supreme Court.
This morning, inside the Italian Supreme Court, prosecutors are making the case that Amanda Knox and Raffaele Sollecito should never have been acquitted in the 2007 murder of British student Meredith Kercher. And they're arguing for a retrial.
Immediately released.
After Knox and her former Italian boyfriend were released 18 months ago, prosecutors appealed the lower court's decision, citing contradictions in the ruling. Kercher's family supports the appeal, telling Italian media, "There's still unanswered questions. We are searching for the truth." But in a statement to ABC News, the Knox family says this morning's hearing is simply another example of harassment by the prosecution.
We are hopeful and prayerful that they will render a verdict which will simply say that the appellate court acted properly.
The worst hearing outcome for Knox would be a retrial and another agonizing wait for it to all end. Knox's legal team feels that's not likely.
That appellate court jury determined the evidence to be absent, non-existent, inaccurate, unreliable, and simply wrong.
A verdict the Italian Supreme Court now has to evaluate. In Seattle, Knox is back in class at the University of Washington. She spends free time with her boyfriend, James Toronto, her 3 sisters, or playing the guitar. Knox dedicated this past year to writing her upcoming memoir, Waiting to be Heard.
All right, so in the unlikely event an acquittal is overturned, it would set off a complicated set of legal maneuvers towards extradition. But that could take years and would be very tricky. Amanda Knox would most likely never set foot on Italian soil again.